Hello, I am Microsoft Sam and I am selling to you crap tacos. Yes, I am selling to you crap tacos, the most foul food in Earth. Here's what people have to say about it.
I think crap tacos are big piles of crap. Who would eat crap? And also, warning, warning, you can't insult crap tacos, but since you did, you must jump into Sam's diarrhea infested toilet. You ha 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 ha. No, 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 no.
And if you order it now, we will also give you some of this. And also, it's not for $4, not for $3, but for $2,000.10. See you next episode.